Hello all traders, today is Wednesday 12th of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian session and it started to go up during the London session pre-market after the CPI news release. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening continued to go up and reached an area of the resistance and couldn't hold and started to go down and had a deep pullback and then recovered. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and wait for a deeper pullback, and when the price reach an area of the support and the buyers come back, take a long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 10 o'clock when I came back, the price was testing this area and it got rejected already and was going up. So this wave of uptrend here on Nasdaq and S&P 500 was taken with setup C with 2 positions each, and these long positions were closed on the upper area of the channel with profit. And since the volatility was high and we reached the daily target, we finished trading for the day, and as you see, the result of trades on these trading accounts were positive and we reached profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated, as we reached 100% win rate from the 4 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 536 and the largest winning trade was $945. So that's a summary of some of the trades I have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, these are list of trades that I have taken today. 7 long positions and 2 sell short positions were taken on S&P 500, Nasdaq and Dow Jones. And you see here the profit and loss. Most of them were closed with profit, and we have 2 open swing positions that are still in progress. So with this trade that I have taken today and closed, we reached a total balance of $92.06 with the profit factor of 2.04. And this shows the stats of the account from the beginning. From 284 trades, we had 220 winners, resulted in 77% win rate. And this shows the equity curve of the account from the beginning, which is increasing consistently, and the percentage of the active drawdown, which was kept below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.